Did you know that if you've ever used OneNote on your computer, you'll be able to use a shortcut key to take screen clippings of your screen? I've got an error message in the bottom corner of my screen and I'd like to send it to my IT team. So I'm going to use Windows Shift S, click across the message, copy it to the clipboard, then I can send a new email and paste it into the message. Brilliant! Your computer might be Windows S, but mine is Windows Shift S. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.